In crypto, narrative is what defines the price of an asset, as we have seen recently with the growth of DeFi and NFTs. Knowing the trend and identifying the hidden gems in that particular trend will really make you a lot of money in crypto. The purpose of this channel is to identify all the trends and all the hidden gems in that particular trends before they come into mainstream so my audience get maximum return on their investment. My name is Abdul, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and smash that like button so you never miss any update from this channel. The project I'm going to cover is Liquity LQTY. Let's begin. Liquity has a symbol LQTY is a decentralized borrowing protocol that allow you to draw 0% interest loan against ether used as collateral. Loans are paid out in LUSD, a USD-backed stablecoin, and need to maintain a minimum collateral ratio of only 110%. Currently, it only provides loans against Ether, but in the future, they may use other asset as a collateral to get the or borrow the loan. The main difference between the current market and Liquity is that its core innovation is the liquidation mechanism, which is based on incentivized stability deposits and a redistribution cycle from riskier to safer drops. This provides stability at a much lower collateral ratio than current systems. So let's see some of the core feature of LQTY. Interest-free borrowing means you can provide your ETH as a collateral and you can get 0% interest-free borrowing. Third party front end. All the validator is run by the third party. So no validator is run by the team. So it is fully decentralized. It's a censorship resistance as it is protocol and all the validator is controlled by the third party. So they can't put any censorship. Efficient liquidation. Redeemable stablecoin. Liquity has their own stablecoin that is called Liquity USD LUSD, and its market cap is already in top 200. Incentive for liquidity provider and stakers. You can stake your LQTY and earn LQTY, or you can provide liquidity for LUSD and ETH and you can get LQTY. A recipe of success that I called for a new crypto project. You should need to look for the 4 factors. It should have a unique or innovative use case. The team should be solid. Technology of the final product should be already released or built with using a solid coding techniques, and its partnership or backing. So let's see the use case of Liquity. If you open Defi Pulse, you can see the total value locked in DeFi is approximately 53 billion. It was around 20 billion in January, and since last 3 months it's not only twice. And Liquity is basically a lending platform, and if we go in and select lending here, you can see Compound is #1 lending platform, and the total value locked in lending is approximately 27 billion. Compound dominance is 40%, second is MakerDAO, and total value locked in MakerDAO is 8.24 billion. Liquity is quite similar, you can say 80% similar to Maker, but their approach is better. I'm not saying the product is better, I'm saying their approach is better. So it can capture a lot of market cap from the MakerDAO. And let's see core feature team. If we go into Liquity website, liquity.org, I have provided all the links in my description, you can take from there. And here we can see the key features that I already described with you. You can read further. And if we go into about us section, here you can see the team. Its CEO is Robert Laku. He's founder of PhD in law, previously researched at Definity. So he is already blockchain exposure as well. And there Colton Burngunnan is head of growth, who has worked for the Stellar Development Foundation as well. So Stellar is a well-known product that most of you guys know. And then they have Bingen, who is work as a main contributor to Aragon. So Stellar, Aragon, and one more person that I really like to mention is Ashley. She worked for the Uniswap and formerly worked at MakerDAO as well. So the team of Liquity is quite solid. They know how to deliver in this phase. They not only have exposure to blockchain, but they all already have exposure to similar product in the past. So I really believe in the team. I think team is really solid, and Liquidity smart contract is audited by CoinSpect. So if their smart contract is already audited, their mainnet is already launched, and I'm a software engineer and I have seen their code is really good. They fulfill all the standard of a code, and their tech is really solid. So team is solid, code is solid. And let's go into CoinMarketCap and search Lqty. So Liquidity, and you can see its market rank is 840. Its market cap is just 18 million. Yesterday it was around 9 million, so it's already done almost 1x since yesterday. Its coin price is $27, but the circulation supply is not even a 1 million, so total is 100 million. Max supply is also 100 million. Let's see on which exchanges you can buy Liquity. You can buy Liquity using Uniswap, but ETH gas fees is really high, so I will show you one good exchange that has not been mentioned by CoinGecko. Liquity is basically also listed on MXC exchange. If you have your account, it's well and good, but if you don't have your account, use my link that I have provided in description, and you will get 10% trading discount. You will save ETH gas fees and 10% trading discount, and most of the low cap coin are listed on this exchange, so use my link to sign up on this exchange. Let's see Liquidity partners and couple of good news regarding Liquidity, and then we will see tokenomics, and then I will do price prediction. So if we go into Liquidity site, we can see they have a large list of partners. You can read about them, and I will mention in the description, so you can go through. They have Pantera, Nima, Alameda Research, so these are notable partners. And CoinMarketCap has mentioned a news like Defi lending protocol startup liquid series $6 million in Series A round. So 2 weeks ago they raised $6 million already. Investment from Pantera Capital led the round with participation from Nima Capital, Alameda Research, and others. So you can see big players are backing this protocol. And let's see, it's quite similar to MakerDAO. Let's see first. Let's calculate the Liquidity price prediction. The current market cap of Liquidity is 18 million, and if we go into their Twitter feed, we can see the product is still live, working on Ethereum mainnet. So product is live, tech is really solid, team is really good, and narrative is quite demanding. DeFi lending is a current trend, so I expect it to be a minimum $500 million market cap within year, and if they do good marketing, it can go to 1 billion. So we calculate very conservatively. Suppose the marketing is not good and it only go to $500 million. So from $500 million, the current market cap is 18 million. It still go around 28x, and beside you can stake your Liquidity as well, and you can provide liquidation on Uniswap as well. So 28x very conservatively. Beside, my range is to buy this coin is approximately around $20, because yesterday it go 1x, so I will wait for a little bit of dip before buying, but you can do your own research for buying perspective. But guys, I want to mention one thing. You need to be really careful. If you go to Etherscan, you can see they only have a circulating supply half a million, not even a 1 million. So, and if we go into Etherscan, and if we go into holders, you can see 3 address hold approximately 95% of total token supply. So keep this project in on eye, don't rush into buy, just keep an eye because this project is really solid, but their tokenomics is not clear. I tried to search and find, but I couldn't get much information. If any of you guys have information regarding their tokenomics and vesting schedule, please mention in the comments. I will update you guys regarding this once I get the information. Liquity has a well demanding narrative, well was team, more than capable of team, and its technology is really solid. Once I will get more information regarding their tokenomics, because I have only concern is with regarding their tokenomics. Otherwise, I'm really bullish on this project. This is all what I think about this project. Please let me know in comment box, what do you think about Liquity? Are you bullish or bearish? And what other project you want me to look into? Thank you very much.